The question I want to answer today is how to permanently delete a material from your scene in Blender. Sometimes you create a lot of materials and you don't want so many options anymore. You want to get rid of the old stuff. This is going to help you do that. So right now I have a pink t-shirt on my character. I created a new yellow material that I want to replace this with, and I want to delete the pink option entirely. So if I go into my material properties and select this little material browser. So there's a little drop down next to the material. You're going to select that. You'll see every material that's available for you in this scene. And this one here is a shirt mat that I made. So I'm going to click that. And now she has her yellow shirt on just like I wanted. But you'll see if I click that drop down again, pink shirt is still available. And I want that deleted. I want it not even available, no longer there, gone from the scene entirely. How do I get rid of it? I can't just click the negative symbol here. That won't get rid of it. That'll just take it off the character, take it off the object, but it won't get rid of it. So how do you get rid of it? It's not intuitive, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So first off, you're gonna go up to the top where your scene is, and you're gonna go to display mode. That little drop down to the right of it, you're gonna click that. Then you're gonna go to Blender File. Then you'll see a bunch of options. The one you're looking for is materials. So you're gonna select that drop down, and here it lists all the materials that are in your file. So this is great. We can see the names, and it's pink shirt mat that I want to delete. So pink shirt mat, I'm gonna select it. I'm not gonna hit the delete key, that won't work. I need to right click and then select delete, and that will get rid of it from your list. So now I'm gonna shut that off. I'm gonna go back to view layer, and then I'm gonna go back into my material to make sure that it's gone. So now it should not show up under this list here. And if we scroll through, you'll see, I don't see the word pink anywhere. It was deleted. Pink shirt is now gone. It's gone from my scene. I can save my scene and move forward. And this can be done to all materials. You can delete a bunch at once. You can delete them as you make new ones. And I think it's super helpful just to stay organized and make things easier for yourself. So if you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments, and join me for more tutorials in Blender. Thanks.